To levitate, take a wand and say Levioso. Alright. Levioso. No, wait. Leviosa. 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 Leviosi. Levio. Lego. 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 Alright, well, that doesn't seem to work. Okay, maybe like Alakazam. Ta-da! Poopa! Ta-da! Shazam! Nothing's working. Well, maybe I didn't use a pencil for a wand. Yeah, maybe that's it.
Spontaneous science!
Alright, good morning and welcome again to Spontaneous Science! And we're glad that you guys could join us this morning, or this afternoon, this evening, whenever you are watching this. Today we are going to talk about static electricity. And this is another form of magnetism that we would talk about. So we are talking about static electricity. Well, what is static electricity? So what you might not know about static electricity or how it happens is it all starts with a tiny, tiny thing called an atom.
Ew.
No, not that atom. Not that atom. That atom right there. All right, everything in this world is made up of atoms. From your pencil to your nose. But each tiny atom even has its own thing. Little tiny thing. Tiny thing within the tiny thing. Even smaller tiny. Anyway, these are called protons. There's protons. And protons, since they start with P, have a positive charge. And then there's electrons. These guys have a negative charge. And then there's the neutrons. And these guys have no charge at all. So most of the times, atoms have the same number of protons and electrons, and the atom charge is neutral, not positive or negative. So static electricity is created when positive and negative charges aren't balanced. So protons and neutrons don't move. They don't move at all around much. And so, but electrons love to jump all over the place. I mean, all over the place. Left, right, up, down, sideways, northways, northeast, northwest, all over the place. All right, so when an object or person has extra electrons, it has a negative charge. So things with opposite charges are always attracted to each other. So positive charge seek negative ones, and then negative ones seek positive ones. So you might be saying to yourself, Mr. Sperry, what does that all mean? Well, let me kind of put it this way. All right, I grabbed a balloon. So when you rub a balloon on your head, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to mess up my luscious locks of hair, when you rub a balloon on your head, or you can use a washcloth, or you can even use your shirt. Let's use your shirt. Use a cloth. Anyway, what you're doing is stealing electrons from the cloth, my belly, stealing electrons from the cloth and creating a positive charge in the cloth and a negative charge in the balloons. So, things with opposite charges attract each other, positive and negative. Positive and negative are opposite charges and they attract. So the things with the same charges will repel each other. So if a negative goes against a negative, well, they separate. So all things, we're going to set out a couple things on this table. Let's see, we got some paper, and we got a can. And we're just going to put that on its side. All right, so all things on this table here, we have paper, we have a can. These are neutral charges. They have no charge at all. Not even positive, not even negative. So, balloon, we're going to build up the balloon a negative charge, and so that it will attract the neutral charge. So if I put a on top of this paper, what's going to happen? Nothing. Alright, let's try this again. Gotta rub it all over. All over. Alright, let's see. Try this again. There we go. Couple pieces of paper. Probably have too much paper there. But anyway, you see that it is attracted to the balloon. Same thing with a Mountain Dew bottle can. We got a soda. Alright, what's going to happen is we're going to kind of roll it. Because a negative charge is attracting a neutral charge. And this is pretty fun. Right off the table. Alright. So, we got a negative charge and it attracts a neutral charge. So, say if we take 2 plates, I'm going to throw that out. 2 plates, 2 styrofoam plates, and we're going to rub each one with a cloth. Nice, like we're cleaning dishes. I know normally nobody ever does that at home. Like we're cleaning dishes. And let's see if they attract or repel. No. Not gonna happen because we have created 2 negative charges. When the charges are opposite, they attract, and when the charges are the same, they repel, just like that. After a while, they will become normal. But anyway, so they create 2 negative charges. So, what is our experiment today? Well, let me tell you, we have a good one. All right, so somebody in our class had asked if you can do a magic trick or do an experiment with a ruler. Well, I can. So you take that ruler that you have in your desk or been given or provided, or any ruler that you can find at Family Dollar. We are unofficially sponsored by Family Dollar today. But anyway, you can take a can, a soda can, any can, and make sure it's aluminum, and use that ruler. Probably better this side. Table goes down. Anyway, so you can use that ruler that way, but what we are going to do today is you're going to need Play-Doh, a piece of paper, and then you are going to need a nice sharp pencil. Alright, so we got Play-Doh, we got a pencil, we got paper that won't come off the desk. Alright, so what you're going to do with the paper, you are going to fold it up into 4. So fold it half, unfold it, and fold it halfway again. Alright, so you got that little kind of fan there. Alright, so here we go. We got that. And what we're going to do, we're going to take the Play-Doh or clay, and you are going to make a nice orange clay here today. Maybe like rip it, put it in a ball, put it on the table. What you're going to do, you're going to put the eraser end into the table, into the Play-Doh, and then put the top paper right on the middle. Kind of balance it. And we're going to see what we do when we take the ruler. We're going to take a ruler, we're going to take a balloon, we can even take a styrofoam plate. Today we're just going to take a ruler, we're going to create some negative energy. Here we go. Let's see if this works. I hope it works, because I haven't done it yet. Alright, let's see. It should attract the paper so that it spins like a fan. There we go. Just like that. No wires involved here. Not even a magic trick. Alright, there we go. So that's pretty cool. So what can we do next? Well, this is even cooler. Alright, let's check that out. Sorry, Ed. Alright. So, what you're going to need next is tape, scissors, a cloth, and then you're going to need a balloon, and then you are going to need a trash bag. It's a tiny trash bag. You can even be large. So, here we go. So we got a trash bag, we got a balloon, we got tape, we got scissors, we got a claw, and a very cluttered desk. All right, there goes my claw. All right, here's another claw. Blue and blue, that makes sense. All right, so what we're going to do first, and it's very simple. You're going to take the trash bag. Don't open it yet. So what we're going to do is just kind of take the top, and we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the top. Cut the top. All right. Then we're going to unfold it, and now we're going to make this part of the trash bag a ring. A ring. The one ring to rule them all. Anyway. And we're going to tape that ring to, got something in my eye, to, how many takes can I get? You're going to take that ring. Here we go. We got a ring. Trash bag is now made into a ring. Woo! The one ring. All right, to rule them all. I got something in my eye. All right. Okay. Now we're done with tape. We are done with tape. You're going to take your balloon, and there goes my balloon. Okay, I got my balloon back. You're going to take your balloon, and then you can easily use your cloth, use your head, use your clothes. You're just going to rub it. And then you're also going to take this piece of trash bag and rub it all over your shirt. We're going to make it into a loop again. And then we're going to see if this works. Now it's stuck to my hand. Good one. There we go. Then you're going to balance it kind of. This can turn into a game because now it's, because we got negative energy, a little higher. Get negative energy. Can turn it into the game. Crown. There we go. So pretty soon, the negative and positive charges will normalize, and the object will normalize, and there will be no more static electricity until we rub it on our clothes again, and or cloth or head. So that is how static electricity works, and some experiments that you guys can do at home using static electricity. Try this can thing. Try this can thing. This is pretty fun. You can probably build a car, put some wheels on your can, and then see how far it goes. Because this is fun. Right? Come hither. It's not working. Alright, once again, we are unofficially sponsored by Family Dollar. This has been, and this has been
Spontaneous science.